and welcome! Today I wanted to show you guys some of the outfits that I'm packing to bring with me to Cuba. We are leaving this weekend and I'm so excited! Actually, while you're watching this video, we are already in Cuba because I'm pre-filming a ton of videos so I don't miss my Tuesday and Thursday uploads. So if you are looking for holiday/vacation outfit inspirations, then you have clicked the right video. Don't forget that I post a ton about fashion and traveling over on my Instagram. You can find me at Natasha Tuasen if you want to see all of these outfits in action and if you want to see what we get up to while we're in Cuba. While we are in Cuba, I'll be filming an outfits lookbook for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss that video. Also, I upload every Tuesday and every Thursday a ton of fun videos, so if you want to see more of me, then subscribe to the channel. The first outfit I'm gonna start with is probably the outfit that I'm most excited to wear. So it's these high-waisted paperback style pants. I love the color on these, I love the fit on these. They're such a different style of pants that I'm used to. I've decided to pair it with this off-shoulder flower printed crop top that I recently bought from ASOS. Together I think these two items look amazing and I think it's a really stylish statement outfit. As for shoes, I decided to pair them just with a pair of strappy brown sandals that I also picked up in my ASOS haul. I actually told you guys that I would send these sandals back, but look at them on. I've decided to change my mind. I decided to keep these sandals. They fit with every outfit and I actually like them more and more now. The next outfit is this really fun printed flowery ruffly skirt that I picked up from H&M. It's a different style of what I usually wear, but for holiday I like to branch out in my style and try different things. I decided to pair it with a simple white top. Now I haven't quite decided yet what I think looks best. As for shoes, I have a pair of espadrilles coming in a cream color that I would love to pair with a lot of these outfits. But as I'm filming this video, the shoes haven't arrived yet. So I've paired it with my black espadrilles from ASOS. And I also think that they look great with the skirt. The next outfit that I'm super excited to wear in Cuba is this stripy long dress from Zara that I picked up in the sale over the winter actually. And I paired it again with the black espadrilles just because I feel like blue and white stripes paired with espadrilles is the perfect summer look. I just think it makes for a really trendy summer look. Moving on, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a different color palette. I mean, not really, but kind of. So I decided to pair these black culotte pants with this blue gingham top that I've actually got both of these items from H&M last summer and I think that they go really well together. These are literally the perfect pair of culotte pants. I wear them all the time. They're super lightweight, so they're really comfortable. Once again, I've paired this outfit with the strappy black sandals from ASOS. These just go with anything and they're super trendy looking sandals. Another outfit that I'm really excited to wear is these blue and white strap pants that I showed you guys in my Zara haul a couple of weeks ago. I wanted to pair these pants with a simple white top. So I paired this pair of pants with this really cute lacy white cream top. I thought the simpleness of this top would go great with the blue and white stripes in the pants, and I also felt like the touch of lace was just a nice detail. I wanted to spice up this outfit a little bit with some gold, so I paired it with these gold strappy sandals that I purchased from Zara last summer. The final touch to this outfit is the sand colored suede bag that I purchased from H&M online a couple of months ago. It has again the gold hardware to really spice up the outfit and to highlight the gold in the shoes and the bag. So I bought this black dress from H&M a couple of months ago. What I really fell for, I actually didn't need a long black dress. It's not the typical thing that you would buy for your summer vacation, but what I really fell for is the fit and the material. I wanted to bring this on holiday for like a romantic date night or going dancing in Cuba or going to a bar and hanging out by the beach side or something like that, just something. I decided to spice this dress up with a pair of strappy orange sandals with a ton of like glitter and pattern on them. I just love the color on these sandals. They're super fun, again lace up, and they have these small tassels. These shoes are full of action and I feel like they're a perfect match with a kind of simple black dress to give a little bit of fun and to give a little bit of color. So moving on to probably one of my favorite dresses, and I have been waiting months and weeks and months to wear this dress, and of course I had to show you guys in this video because I'm obviously going to pack it and wear it in Cuba. I feel like this dress deserves a little bit of a heel, so maybe a strappy pair of small heeled sandals or a pair of tie-up espadrilles. Okay, I've showed you guys a ton of outfits, so let's get on to the very last outfit that I've planned so far to go with me to Cuba. Probably I'll come up with a couple of other outfits, but you'll see that in the lookbook if you tune in for that video. But the final outfit is based around this denim skirt that is also from H&M from last year, but you can get similar styles all over the high street at the moment. I wanted to pair it with maybe just a black strappy bikini top and then throw over this kind of loose shirt over top. I feel like this again would be really cute at the beach, and I love this kind of linen look of this shirt, and it's very like loose, flowy, comfy. You can tie a knot in the front that would look super cute. And once again, I would probably pair them with my espadrilles, either the black ones or the beige ones, or I would probably pair it with the strappy sandals from ASOS. So you guys, that was all of the outfits that I've planned so far to bring with me to Cuba. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and turn on the notifications to get notified whenever I post a video. I post every Tuesday and Thursday. I would love to know in the comments down below which one was your favorite outfit of what I showed you guys today. It's just always interesting to me to see what you guys like the best. And as always, I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you very soon. Bye!